What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. So, y'all, I'm out of breath. I don't know. I've been feeling out of breath for like the past hour or so. I've done a lot today, but that don't mean I should be out of breath still. That's just ridiculous. But anyways, I'm in the mood to do my hair, and that is a rare feeling. So I'm about to tap in and just go off of this energy, because who knows when we'll see this again. As you can see, my hair is not retwisted or anything like that, but I'm just going to do some nice 2-strand twists or 3-strand twists in my case, since I have an odd number of locks. And this time I'm going to add some beads to it. So sit back and enjoy this tutorial.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. You like I? Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
You don't want me, then don't talk to me. Ooh, go ahead, it's on you. Okay, y'all. So I added a silver bead and I added a gold bead at the bottom. So honestly, this earring keep getting stuck and it's getting on my nerves. Okay. See, with this first twist, the 3 strands of locks are all different lengths. So I gotta try to work this out here. Oh, okay, this is coming out. Okay, so we're gonna twist it down. You don't want me, then don't talk to me, yeah. Go ahead and free yourself. If you don't want me, then don't talk to me. Ooh, go ahead to someone else. That song stuck in my head. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up like that. Wrap it around. See if that works. Okay, that's cute. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My little twist getting a little long. It's coming all the way down here. I remember they used to be up here. Growth. Because I don't want them to look too perfect. That's the thing. I want them to look kind of like they've been worn for a few days as well. So, yeah.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately.
Girl, oh my gosh. Exactly. Like, that's exactly what I'm saying. Like, I feel like I've sacrificed so much in my lifetime. And not, not that I'm complaining or anything like that. It's just a sense that I know I chose to make sacrifices, if that makes sense. Like, I chose to sacrifice and deprive myself of things just for the sake of, like, oh, I don't want to disappoint this person. Oh no, I'm not like that. That goes against like who I am, and or no, I'm just too scared to like truly show my colors, or oh no, I'm too scared what the person, well, not, I shouldn't use the word scared, but I'm too concerned about what the person will say or how they will react to what I have to say or what my feelings are. Like, just all those things I would factor in. And I am honestly just so tired of it. So, or I have such a guard up that I don't let other people show me love. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I was kind of referring to when I'm like, I need to learn how to just let love in from all aspects. Just let it in. Because I just finished the back section. This is how it's looking. As you can see, I added some beads, some other hair jewelry. So we're doing pretty good. As far as time though, I need to kick it up a notch because it took me an hour to do this. But I think it took me an hour too because I was talking to my best friend. I'm watching the first 48. Like, I'm just really lax right now, but I'm not trying to be here all night doing this. So I'm going to check back in with y'all when I get closer to the front. All right, y'all. So we are finally to the front of my hair. The back is done. This is how it's looking. I'm loving it. Let me turn around so y'all can see. This is how it's looking in the back. All right, so let's get to the front. And by the way, that took about an hour. No, maybe about 45 minutes. So it looks like that's what I'm averaging here. No problem. So I'm going to work on the left side of my head first and then do the right side last because this is less hair in this section. And, I want to finish on a light note. So, and also, y'all, can y'all see how my hair is just growing out so much? I love it. I love it. I love it. Try to straighten up this part as much as I can. And if you're new here, I know I don't have straight parts. I didn't start my locks off with straight parts, so it's giving free part energy, okay?
Hard to move. I said and follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantee.
Remember, that's gonna dry down, so don't be alarmed. This is how it's looking, okay? It took me exactly 3 hours to do this, like, whew. But I think it looks really cute. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to add some of the little braid string or whatever. I'm gonna do silver first. All right, y'all, sorry I had to stop recording because my camera's about to die soon. But I added the silver string here, and then in the back, if you can see it. I am loving how this style came out, and y'all, to be honest with you, I'm very shocked at how long my twists are. I'm telling you, if you look at some videos, I'll probably link them in the description box, of how short my locks used to be when I did like the little 2-strand twist. You will understand why I'm like really shocked at how long they are now with the twist. Like they literally used to just be like right here, like I had a bob. But yes, so okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.